This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling the Mango Yellow evaluation board. IoT devices today have a long list of features that are required or at least highly encouraged, like wireless connectivity, stupendously long life, the absolute smallest form factor achievable, etc., etc., especially in edge applications that necessitate cloud connection for data processing. The Mango Yellow evaluation board was designed for just this purpose. With the included Sierra Wireless Smart Module for Cat M1 and NB1 worldwide networks and a host of other connectivity options and integrated sensors, the Mango Yellow is primed for whatever type of wireless connectivity you need to begin developing, testing, or even producing your cellular-enabled, cloud-connected IoT devices. The star of the Mango Yellow kit is a Sierra Wireless WP7702 low-power, wide-area module that provides LTE-M and NB-IoT connectivity with 2G fallback for any cellular network in the world. This module runs on a 1.3 GHz ARM Cortex A7 core alongside a Qualcomm QDSP6 telecom core for digital signal processing. It is also compliant with the 3GPP Release 13 standard and compatible with several widely used mobile network carriers including AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. The Sierra Wireless module sports a common flexible form factor, or CF3, design to simplify connection to other CF3-compatible wireless modules. It also includes security measures like Secure Boot and free firmware over-the-air updates. While many of these features make the module useful for wearable and smart home or city applications, this module, and by extension the Mango Yellow kit itself, supports the use of Octave, an all-in-one edge-to-cloud data orchestration platform designed for connecting industrial assets. When you get your own Mango Yellow, you'll get access to a free 3-month Octave subscription. If you remember a moment ago, I did say there are plenty of other connectivity options available on board the Mango Yellow. The kit includes built-in support for Wi-Fi BGN, Bluetooth 5.0, Bluetooth Low Energy, Bluetooth Mesh, and an NFC tag, alongside integrated antennas for GPS, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, and cellular. Additionally, the Mango Yellow development kit already includes just about every sensor you could ever dream of, from temperature and light to an accelerometer, gyroscope, and acoustic mic. And that's not even all of them. There's also an IoT expansion card slot, an SD card slot, and a 2-way audio connector, alongside a 15-pin I/O connector. Not bad for a board that's not even as big as a credit card, huh? The Mango Yellow kit comes pre-integrated with Linux's open-source Legato application framework, which is a set of tools and design patterns designed to help connect applications to the cloud and network services. Legato includes a C runtime library, build and target management tools, and a set of management daemons. Legato's user applications, platform adapters, platform services, and application framework are built into a runtime environment, which provides a cohesive system to run and monitor applications while sending and receiving data from external sources. Legato's website includes detailed documentation to help you get started, introduce you to any necessary concepts and APIs, and several introductory tutorials. The platform's code is also available on GitHub. So if you're ready to start connecting your IoT devices and you'd like to get your own Mango Yellow development kit, you can purchase one from DigiKey for $117.19. If you'd like to try your luck though, you can also enter this week's raffle, linked on screen now and in the description below, for a chance to win this kit right here for free. If you do win, we'll even ship it to you anywhere in the world. That's it for this episode, so as always, thank you for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you next time.
For more content from embedded computing design, including behind-the-scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.